Got the car on the scales right now. Just want to go over everything we have in it. So we got the full motor in here, nothing's missing. Exhaust, battery, brakes, exhaust. You can see up in there we have the sway bar in there also. Full exhaust. Drive shaft is in there. Rear brakes. Exhaust goes all the way back. All the suspension parts are there. Full interior. Dash, seats, back seats, shifter. It's all here. All right, so I'm gonna lower the car down onto the scales right now on the video, so there's no question. So there we have a complete K-swap, all fluids. It's got coolant, gas, oil, drive shaft, brakes, interior, the whole thing. Look at that balance. We did almost no suspension adjustment to this car so far, and this is where it sits right now. Coming to a track near you. Factory fans working.
Oh,